guys, this is a '07 F150 with the 4.2 engine. So I just want to share a tip, on this one. The owner complained about the idle when he stopped. The truck shut off or start. I mean, even not on a stop. Like if you leave it on just on idle, the needle. Let me see, it goes right here. It start bouncing, like up and down slowly. And sometimes, when you get it to a stop, it shut off, it cranks back on. But I mean, it's still doing the same thing, and then it start like goes up and down, not crazy, but it goes up and down, and it keeps bouncing like that. So that happened after the tune-up, spark plugs and stuff like that, air filter. But one thing they noticed, the air filter was real dirty. So when they bring it over here, I'll take a look at the data on it. But I mean, it won't not much to look at it. So what I did, I pull up the throw body. I pull up the throw body, and the throw body was real dirty. I clean them up, and then what I did is I unplugged the battery for probably about 10 minutes, and then put it back, everything together, then crank it right on, and then no more idle. You can see the needle right there is not bouncing. It's just right on, stable. So yeah, check that first. If you got roach idle, check that first. It was no codes. It was no codes for that roach idle. So check that first. Clean your throw body. Inspect your air filter. If your air filter is dirty, so just go ahead and replace the air filter and clean the throw body at the same time. Because for sure, if your air filter is dirty, your throw body is gonna be dirty. What I did is I not remove the connector. I left it in there. I just remove all four bolts with the 10 millimeters, turn around, clean it with the brush, and a brake cleaner, and then turn around and clean it back again. And then, I put everything back on, and it's running real fine now for 10 minutes. So, I can call this one a fix. So check that first, before anything else. If you don't have any code and nothing like that, just remove that and clean it. That's going to fix your problem if you got the idle not working right on the F-150. So this is a '07 with the 4.2 engine. So I hope that video helps, and keep it, subscribe, so you keep update on every video that I'm gonna keep unplugged it. So thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.